BB002, finally I got my hands on the Xiaomi WalkingPad. So this walking pad is a very compact one where you can keep and place inside your room, inside your living room, or even the kitchen if you like to. So I'll just try to walk you down on how to use this walking pad. So zooming into the display, you can see here. Right now I'm trying to calibrate everything, so you can see the 4.0 is the speed, kilometers per hour. Then the display down there is the power button, the manual and the automatic mode. Okay, as you can see. So on the side we have the main function button. Okay, that's to power up and power down the machine. So right now we have already pressed the stop. So right here we have the remote wherein we can up the speed, down the speed, change the mode. So this one is to stop, emergency stop. We have at the back we use a CR2032, which is a pretty common CMOS battery for motherboards. Okay, so on this side we have the main switch. Okay, so this is a 3-prong plug, as you can see there. Okay, so the walking pad is okay, so it's a 3-prong. So this one are the roller guides wherein you can manually move this using this roller to another room. Okay, it's not really that heavy if you ask me. Okay, and okay, basically the walking pad is made of good materials. Okay, then right now we're trying to use the automatic mode wherein when you step up, it's to speed up. When you step down, it's going to slow down. Okay, so right now you still cannot use this unless you calibrate it. So let's try this one. Okay, so starting in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so okay, we're on the top of the walking pad, so we're speeding up. Okay, right now we're calibrating. Okay, it tells me to step down to lower down the speed. So not here. When you calibrate it, this will elevate a little bit so that the pad will not keep on shaking when you run up to 6 kilometers per hour. So, okay, so to fold this thing up, it's quite easy. Okay, all you need to do is just something like this, and you're done. And if you want to pull the plug up, okay, simple. And by the way, it's a Xiaomi plug. Okay, so MI logo is present here. Okay. Okay, so since if you want to move this thing around just like this, there's 2 roller wheels down there. Okay, so basically this is it for me. And if you want to take a look down here, what's under here is, well, still the pad, of course, Kingsmith, and this is the serial number. Okay, it's another good collaboration between Xiaomi and Kingsmith for this awesome walking